Jules, baby.
Yes, come on. Yeah, yeah. I need to do it, papa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, my name is Lucky. You can call me Lucky if you like. And if you're a returner, thank you so much for actually coming back to click and watch this video. I really appreciate you guys. We are actually on the road to 300 subscribers. I want to first of all say thank you so much to everyone supporting. Like, it really means a lot to me. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this really cute Barbie-ish summer look. Yes, I said that. And I want you guys to sit down, relax, enjoy this video, this tutorial, and yeah, let's just get started. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscription button down below. It will really mean a lot to me. I'll highly appreciate it. And yeah, enough of me talking, let's just start with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is prime our eyelids with concealer so that the colors will pop up, especially because I'm dark skinned. Most of these colors won't show properly, so I have to do this step if I really want the colors to pop well. And then we're gonna blend everything in smoothly. Make sure there are no like lines or any demarcations between the brow. Okay, so now that I've blended out my concealer, I'm going to go into my Tarte palette and I'm going to be using this very shade right here. So what I usually do is I use the blending brush and tap on the product first so that I can pack as much product as I want. And then when I see that it's okay, I just blend. So we're just gonna blend and do the same thing for this other eye. So the next shade I'm going to be working with is this darker purple right here, and I'm just going to be applying that on top of the pink one. And then I'm going to be going into that same darker shade. I'm going to be using my finger to apply the rest on top, because I like the effect my fingers give to it, so it doesn't really wash out the color. Okay, so next I'm going to be using this shimmer shade and I'm just going to be applying it on top. I mean, it doesn't really show. This is weird. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it doesn't really make a difference. But I'm just gonna apply it anyway because I have already started. But honestly, it doesn't make any difference. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's whatever. Okay, so now that we have our lashes already installed, the next thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer. Usually whenever I'm priming my face, I always use my hands, but my hands are kind of like filled with glue and lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my beauty blender to just blend everything out. So what I do is I just put a little on my face, chin, forehead, and then typically I'll use like a brush, but it's okay to use a primer to just like rub everything in. It still does the trick. Next, I'm going to be using the NARS foundation. This foundation is actually really nice. First of all, I think it's actually darker when I put it on, but when I blend everything out, you get to see the beauty of this foundation. So I'm just giving you guys like a heads up, but this foundation is good and it does the trick. I think that's all we need. If you look closely, it kind of has like a reddish undertone, or is it just me, or it's just, I don't know. Well, in my eye it has like a reddish undertone, but like once I blend everything out, you see the true beauty of it, and it's just so gorgeous. Don't worry guys, trust the process. So next we're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fun. I like this concealer so much for some weird reason. I don't know why, but I like it. So I'm going to use that to like apply on my highlight areas, the places I want to highlight. So now I'm just gonna blend out everything with my beauty blender. So what I usually do is that since I don't want my forehead to be very obvious that I put a concealer there, I use the same area that I use in doing my foundation to blend out my forehead area, so that you can have a smooth blend with the foundation already there. So we're gonna do that. So now I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier to set everything up, because this LA Pro concealer, it does take fast. So once you just set it, it's very important that you just use your setting powder. If not, it's going to crease under your eye. You guys, I have the largest forehead in the game, like you do not have any idea. So another important part that I really do like to bake is not okay. So first of all, if you notice, I did not bake this area or this area, I just pressed the powder in. But one side that I really like to allow the powder to set in well is this area, because this is where I tend to crease the most. So I make sure I allow the powder to sit in there for like a little bit before I dust it off, or should I say press it in. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my nose, you know. Okay, so I know I'm baking this side of both sides of my face, but what I usually do is that I don't leave it for long. I only do it so that I can have like a line whenever I'm doing my contour, and then after that I just take it off, because when I do this and then do my contour, it gives my contour more definition. I don't leave this for a long period of time. I just take it out once I'm done with my contour. So the next thing we're going to do is actually contour our face. So I'm going to be using this very random Sephora eyeshadow single from Sephora, and then I'm just going to be tapping on a little bit like this, and I usually rub out the excess on my palm so that the contour will not be harsh. And then I just, you know, I don't know what I did, but yeah, I just do that. And whenever I'm doing this, I don't like hold the brush so tight and like press it in. I just do it such in a way that is so like effortless, like this, like there's no much effort going in, because at the end of the day you don't want your contour to be harsh. So that's what I usually do. And then you do the same thing for the other side, just nice I stop? Oh my god, this is my focus. Okay. Really nice gentle tap. That's what you're aiming for. What I usually like to do next is dust off the powder, and I use this brush, random brush again, and just dust it off. Okay, so now we're done with everything liquid and powder. We're gonna go and set our face with the all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray. This is my favorite, but it's so cold. Oh my god. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I think that's enough because I don't want it to be too wet in my face, and it's going to start dragging the foundation down. I don't know if that thing happens to you guys, but it happens to me. Okay, so what next? Okay, yeah, so now I'm gonna, you know, highlight my face, give it a little bit more to it. I don't know what I just said, but okay. Oh my god, you guys, this is insane. What? Are you guys seeing this? This is crazy. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Becca highlighter. Oh my god, I got carried away. I was like, I can't wait to like dive in. Remember guys, so this is a summer look, so you want to look as shiny as possible. Not shiny in an ashy way, but like shiny in like I'm a goddess kind of way. Oh my god, this is my favorite part to highlight, the bridge of my nose. Ugh. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I always love this highlighter whenever I want to put something. Okay, kind of poured a little bit. Yeah, I always use this highlighter whenever I want to like apply something on my inner tear ducts because it just makes that area shine on its own. Like this highlighter is like, do you guys see what I mean? Let me put it a little bit closer. So now we're gonna go back to the lips, and I'm gonna be using this ColourPop brown lip liner to line my lips first of all. So next we're gonna go into my favorite lipstick of all time, this nude lipstick that I got from the Coco collection by Kylie Cosmetics. I use this in almost all my videos. I don't know why, but like it just matches every eyeshadow I pair it up with. So this is so creamy. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using this random lip gloss that I got from Walmart just to apply on my lips. I feel like any lip gloss would do, honestly. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it from me to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, do whatever you want to do with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.